Hello, this is Belen, and this is my lab presentation for lab number 5. Question number 1. Uh, it says, add a new row into the orders table with the following data. Order number equals to 1021, customer number equals to 1009, and order date equals to July 20, 2009. Okay, to do that, we're going to say insert into the order in brackets. We're just going to only write the table, the columns that we need to update. And then on the next line, we're going to give them the value. So on the top, it says order number, customer number, and order date in brackets. That's what we want to change. And then on the values, we insert the values there to 1021, comma 1009, and to date. The date is we're gonna write it in the format that is gonna be put there. We're gonna put it in brackets. July 2009, and then it's gonna be written date, month, and year in comma brackets. When we run it, it's gonna add. It has already added the table, the column right here, as you can see. Number 2. Modify the zip code on order 1017 to 33,222. So we're just gonna say the same thing. Update order orders dot shipment zip. We're gonna specify what we're changing. Equals in quotation marks, so it will specific. It's gonna be specific number. It's gonna be put in there. Whatever we're writing is going to show up the way we put it in single quotation mark. Where orders dot order number equals to 1017. So whenever that number 1017 is on the order column, is going to be replaced with the new number. So we run that thing, we run the prompt, and of course, already the zip number is already changed on the column. Number 3, save the changes permanently to the database. In order to save changes to the database, we always say commit semicolon. The prompt is commit. We did that, but I think the database automatically saves whatever is written on it. So it says it's automatically saved. Number 4, add a new row in the orders table with the following date. Order number equals to 1022, customer number is 2000, and order date is August 6, 2009. Describe the error raised on what's causing the error. Okay, so insert into order. We're going to mention the columns that we need to change and insert the dates on the values. Like we did, it gives me this error message, and when I look deeper, it says the customer already exists. So every information that was given already exists on the table. So we don't duplicate information. That's why it's showing me an error. Customer already exists. Number 5, add a new row into the orders table with the following info data. Order number equals to 1023 and customer number equals to 1009. Describe the error raised and what caused the error. So I tried to insert those information that was given to me, and this came up. And when I went ahead and tried to see what is that table, what is the specification for each column, by putting in the describe order, I saw that the order date cannot be none. That means it cannot be empty. So if there's no order date stated, we cannot put information, meaning that the order has not been placed. So there's no need to put the information on the table. Yes. Number 6, create a script using a substitution variables that allows a user to set a new cost amount for a new based on the ISBN, for a book based on the ISBN. Okay, so we're gonna say every time this ISBN pops up, this price has to be applied to it, right? So to do that, we're gonna say update books, set books dot cost equals to 21, where books dot ISBN is some variable. semicolon. So that's substitution variable script that we need to create. And then when number 7, it says execute the script and set the following value of ISBN equal with the number 110 59 83 11 98, and the cost should be $20. Okay, so to the prompt is gonna go like update books, set books.cost equals 20, where books.isbn equals to the number that's given to us. We put it in quotation mark, single quotation mark, but just because we want to be specifically, it has to be that number. So I ran that prompt. Like you see, it's on the first row. It has been applied. The ISBN number is 1059 83 11 98, and the price is $20. Number 8, execute a command that undoes the changes in step 7. To undo whatever change is made to the table, we do rollback semicolon, but at the bottom it's telling me that all statements are automatically committed. So I don't know what we need to do in order to roll back, but that's the prompt that we need to put in to save the changes, to go back to exclude the changes. Number 9, delete order number 1005. You need to address both the master order record and the table record data records. So in order to delete, we're going to say delete from order items, where order items order number equals to 1005. When I remember about this, I went back to the tables that we were given in the chapter of the beginning of the chapter, and I saw that order and order items have the same row columns. So in order to delete any information that's on order, we got to go back on the table and also delete it there, because they're connected. If they're connected, there's, we cannot delete one from the other without deleting the other one also. So the first thing I need to do is I feel that the master record is the order item. So I went ahead and went to the order item tables to delete that order number first, and then went back to the table of orders, like here on this one. And then I came back to delete from orders, where order equals to orders.order equals to 1,500. So those two tables are connected, so we gotta delete from the file master first in order to go back and delete it from the other one. Sorry. Number 10, execute a command that undoes the previous deletion. So in order to do that, is rollback. Rollback is the prompt that we need to put in to go back to the original, without it, to go back to undo the change. Thank you.